The hidden world of cigarette factories. What happens behind closed doors? Ever wondered what goes on inside one of the largest cigarette factories in the world? You might be surprised by the intricate process that goes into making a product so many people consume every day. But what if I told you the journey from leaf to cigarette involves more than just machinery? Let's take a deep dive into the fascinating world of cigarette production, a journey that starts in the fields and ends in the hands of millions around the world. The journey begins from leaf to smoke. Before we even get into the factory, let's travel to the heart of tobacco farming. Did you know the journey of a cigarette begins long before it ever reaches a factory floor? It starts with the soil of North Carolina, one of the most significant tobacco-growing regions. Imagine this: skilled workers planting tiny seeds into trays of soil under the warm spring sun, while high-tech automatic machines ensure that every seed is placed just right. After just 7 weeks, those tiny seedlings have grown enough to be transplanted into the fields. From here, it's an intense race against time. Tobacco plants begin flowering, and that's when the harvesters come in, cutting the plants down and removing their tops to concentrate the nutrients where they matter most, in the leaves. But the adventure doesn't end there. Once the leaves are harvested, the real transformation begins. They're carefully dried, sometimes taking as long as 8 weeks, and then they're packed and ready to make their way to the next stage, the cigarette factory. From nature to process, what happens in the factory? Here's where it gets really interesting. When the dried leaves arrive at the processing plant, they undergo an incredible transformation. Have you ever wondered what makes each cigarette look and feel the same? It's all in the sorting process. The leaves are first separated by size, type, and quality. Any overly dry leaves are lightly steamed, making them pliable and ready for the next step. But this is just the beginning. After the leaves are stripped of their stems, they're blended with other tobacco to create the perfect mix. This mixture is then cut into small pieces, all ready to be transformed into cigarettes at a staggering rate of 20,000 cigarettes per minute. Can you imagine that? 20,000 cigarettes every single minute. The art of cigarette manufacturing. Next, we enter the part of the process that most people never see, the creation of the cigarette itself. The tobacco is rolled into long, slender rods wrapped tightly with paper. But it doesn't stop there. These rods are cut into perfect lengths and fitted with filters, tiny but essential components that make sure each cigarette is consistent and ready for use. And all of this happens at breakneck speed thanks to the power of automation. But it's not just about making cigarettes quickly, it's about making them right. Every cigarette undergoes a rigorous quality control process. These machines inspect and measure each one to make sure they meet the factory's exacting standards. If one cigarette isn't quite right, it's discarded and replaced. Preserving freshness and protecting the environment. After all that, we're not done yet. The freshly made cigarettes are carefully packaged into groups and wrapped in protective foil to keep them fresh. Then, they're placed into cigarette packs and sealed in film to preserve their aroma and flavor. These packs are then put into larger boxes and prepared for transportation to retailers everywhere. But that's not the only concern of modern cigarette factories. Did you know that many cigarette factories are now working hard to reduce their environmental impact? Advanced technologies and waste management systems are helping factories become more eco-friendly, showing that even in industries with a long history, change is possible. The surprising and complex process behind cigarette production. And there you have it. From the soil in the fields to the packaging that holds the finished product, the cigarette-making process is far more complicated than most people realize. It's a blend of nature, craftsmanship, and technology. But remember, while this journey may seem fascinating, it's also important to keep in mind the health risks associated with tobacco use. Cigarette production is a significant part of a larger conversation about public health, and it's essential to understand the full picture. Join the journey. Subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks. If you're amazed by the intricate process that goes into something as simple as a cigarette, just imagine what other fascinating industries we can explore together. Whether it's the food we eat, the technology we use, or the products we consume, there's always more to the story than meets the eye. So if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of cigarette production, don't forget to like, share, and comment with your thoughts. And make sure to subscribe for more fascinating explorations into the hidden processes that shape our world.